Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and this is the Mysore Palace exhibition.
ಕನ್ನಡ ನಾಡಿನ ಜೀವನದಿ ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಓ ಜೀವನದಿ ಈ ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಅನ್ನವ ನೀಡುವ ದೇವನದಿ ಈ ವಯ್ಯ.
Thank you for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys. Bye bye.